In this video, you'll learn how to add themes to Notion, allowing you to personalize your workspace. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance the visual appeal of your Notion pages with various themes and covers. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Notion website. Ensure you are logged into your account, as this is necessary to access your workspace and customize settings. Next, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Look for the gear icon labeled Settings and click on it to open the Settings menu. This area contains various options that allow you to tailor your Notion experience. After that, select Preferences from the Settings menu. This section will provide you with options related to the overall functionality and appearance of Notion. Continue by clicking on Appearance. This menu will enable you to adjust how Notion looks, including theme settings. You will see various options displayed on your screen. Once this appears, look for the option labeled Use System Setting. This allows Notion to automatically adapt to your device's theme settings, which can be convenient for a cohesive experience. Next, you will see options to choose between light and dark themes. Click on light if you prefer a brighter interface. This change will take effect immediately, allowing you to see how it alters the overall appearance. Alternatively, if you wish to switch to a darker interface, click on dark. This option can be easier on the eyes in low light conditions and can enhance focus for some users. Once you've made your selection, click on the option to close the settings. This action will save your preferences and return you to your main workspace. To further customize your page, click on Add Cover. This option allows you to select a cover image that will enhance the visual aspect of your page, giving it a more personalized touch. Then click on Add Icon to include an icon that represents your page. This can help in quickly identifying the content of your page at a glance. Finally, click on a blank space on your page to deselect any options. This will finalize your theme and icon selections, allowing you to see how they integrate into your workspace. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.